Hey there, folks. Ever experienced the sharp sting of a fresh blister? Yeah, we all have been there. It's a real pain, isn't it? Today we're going to break down the step-by-step process of how to get rid of blisters. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment below. Let's get started. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Alright, first things first, what exactly is a blister? It's like a tiny, squishy water balloon, right? But instead of water, it's filled with body fluid. It's your body's way of cushioning and protecting the skin underneath from further damage. Pretty neat, huh? Now, if you're wondering why I know this, it's all thanks to a fascinating study by the University of California, San Francisco, back in 2018. Step 1. Clean the area. It's pretty straightforward, isn't it? Take a cotton ball, soak it in some hydrogen peroxide, and gently dab around the blister. It's like giving your blister a nice, clean bath. Remember, cleanliness is key. Moving on to step 2. Now, this might sound a bit scary, but bear with me, it's easier than you think. You're going to need a needle. But before you freak out, let me assure you that sterilizing a needle is as easy as making toast. Just hold it over a flame until it's red hot, then let it cool. All set, right? And why do we do this? Well, according to a 2016 study by Harvard Medical School, sterilization is crucial to prevent infections. Nobody wants an infected blister, right? All right, you've got your sterilized needle, now what? It's puncture time. Don't worry, it's not as bad as it sounds. Just gently pierce the edge of the blister. Remember, the goal here isn't to cause pain, but to let that fluid out. Think of it like deflating a balloon, slowly and carefully. Great job on the puncturing. Now, we're on to the next step, the application of an antibiotic ointment. This is like the magic potion that keeps out those pesky germs. Smooth some onto the blister, just a thin layer will do the trick. Final step, my friends. Grab a bandage or a blister plaster and gently cover your blister. This is the shield that will keep your blister safe and sound. Just think of it as a protective blanket. Once your blister starts healing, make sure you give it some tender love and care. How? Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. According to a study published by the British Journal of Dermatology in 2020, moisturizing can actually speed up the healing process. And voila! You've got yourself an easy guide on how to get rid of blisters. With these simple steps, you'll be back on your feet in no time. Remember, your body is an amazing healing machine, and with a little help, you can handle anything it throws at you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and let me know in the comments how these tips worked for you. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.